teachers, thank you for all the support you've given us over the years. You were truly inspirational. I'm very grateful for your works.
I would like to thank all teachers of the department for their contribution to our education. We appreciate your work. Thank you very much.
I'm eternally grateful for everything I've learned from you. Thank you for being patient and helping me improve my skills. We would like to express our gratitude for all that you have done. Thank you.
Thank you for teaching us. We respect you for your work, for understanding, and for patience.
Аида Мирамбековна, thank you for teaching us. Thank you for being with us.
Аида Мирамбековна, thank you for supporting us during this difficult time.
Teachers are our second parents and friends. Your class is just so inspirational. Thank you for helping us to understand all this semester, and I can't wait to meet my dear teachers. Thank you for supporting us during this difficult time, especially Gulbarshan Idrisovna and Ayajan Baylievna.
Universities can survive without iPads and computers, but never without inspirational teacher. Ayajan Baylievna, thank you for being the irreplaceable teacher that you are.
Dear Joseph Osem, I just want to say your thank you for your growth, for your development, for your enthusiasm. Definitely, I've never seen before the same teacher as you. Your message, your technique, your feedbacks, your useful information, your you are an intelligent person, and we can see it. You are the one person who crushes everything, and always we are wishing you all the bad things.
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us many useful things. Your lesson is very interesting. Every week you prepare very cool materials and creative assignments for us. Thank you very much. I respect you. I wish you success in your work.